Welcome everyone to this video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of Golf Clash, in which you can get free unlimited gems and a free store mod. And guess what? This modded version is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices, which means you don't have to worry about whichever device you're using. All you have to do is just watch this video till the end and follow the steps I'll be showing you in the later part of this video. And once you follow them correctly, you'll be able to get this game downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So again, this is my typical video in which I'm showing you how to download a modded version of a game into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. And guess what? It's the Golf Clash ++, which means it's the modded version of Golf Clash. Now, what does this modded version offer? So, for example, we know that gems is the primary currency of the game, Golf Clash, and if you wanted to purchase gems in the normal version of the game, you would definitely go to the store. And when you would go to the store, you'll notice that everything would be costing you real money. However, that's not the case in the modded version. In the modded version, when you come to the store, you'll notice that all these different packages of gems are costing me and will cost you $0.00, which means I don't have to pay a single penny over here to purchase any of these packages. And since they're for free, the moment I click on a particular package, that specific amount being offered by that package is transferred to my personal gems, and that way I can purchase as many gems as I want without the worry of running out of gems at any point in the game, which makes this game, this modded version perhaps, precisely, much more interesting, engaging, and fun. Because I'm just getting a head start in this game, because I'm getting unlimited gems, and on top of that it's free. And I don't have to worry about running out of these gems at any point in the game because they're entirely infinite. There's no certain threshold of how many gems I can purchase, and there's no cooling down period. And there's nothing like that. It is entirely infinite. I have like about 259,000 right now. There we go, just purchased some more. 276, 293. It's just amazing. You can just like keep clicking on these packages, and the amount will keep adding up. And this way, you can go on to purchase as many gems as you want without the worry of running out of gems at any point in the game. This is Golf Clash ++, the modded version of Golf Clash, which is amazing and insane. So look at that: a case of gems, a sack of gems, a box of gems. Look at that: a mountain of gems, a safe of gems, a handful of gems. Typical names with typical amounts. Nothing different. I would have to say I have like a lot of experience playing these games, so I can say that. Every game has some either gems, coins, gold bars, something like that, etc. And sometimes they do have hearts that represent lives, and you can just purchase those things as well. But pretty traditional. And if you're like a new player, this will give you a head start. And if you're like a returning player, this will be the most entertaining version of this game, because since gem is the primary currency, you can purchase, and you have that in infinite amounts, you can purchase anything else you want for free as well, and infinitely. So you don't have to worry about running out of resources, precisely gems, at any point in the game, because this modded version has you covered, and you can enjoy as much as you want without worrying about running out of gems at any point in the game, which is amazing and insane. So what I'll be doing momentarily in this video is that I'll be deleting this modded version from my phone, and then we will be going through the entire downloading process together. And in this video I'll be showing you how to download this game pretty quickly, easily, and simply. And guess what? You would not be able to find this modded version anywhere on the internet readily available for download, but in this video I'm showing you a step, a method through which you can download this game pretty easily, safely, and quickly. So moving on to the steps. Step number 1 is to go to your battery settings and make sure all power saving mods are turned off on either of your Android and iOS devices. This is step number 1, which is for both Android and iOS devices. Once you've done this, exit your battery settings and move on to your step number 2, and that is go to your general settings, go to your background app refresh, and make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular data and on nothing else. This is step number 2, which is only for iOS devices. If you're using an Android device, you'll have to skip to step number 3. And yeah, so once that's done, exit your background app refresh, exit your general settings, and go back to your normal settings, and then go down to your browser settings. Doesn't matter whichever browser you're using. Go to its settings, go to the privacy and security section, and make sure all cookies have been unblocked by turning off the option that says block all cookies. Otherwise, your downloading process will be affected. This is step number 3, which is for both Android and iOS devices. Once that's done, exit your settings and hit open the browser for which all the cookies have been unblocked. And in my case, it's a Safari. It can be any other browser for you as well. It can be Chrome as well. In the search engine bar, type this in carefully and correctly: appblue.vip. Type this in appblue.vip, and once that's typed in, click search, and a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way. And this list is pretty long and extensive and contains a lot of crazy stuff that you might be interested in, and you might get lost in this list because it's just too long. But there you go, I just found the Golf Clash Plus Plus. It says Pre-Store Mod, Unlimited Gems. Click on it, go to the next screen, and start the injection process by clicking the Start Injection button just this way. There is no need for jailbreaking and rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. And the only reason I fast forwarded the video over here is to make it short, because the injection process may take up to a few seconds in most cases. However, in some cases it may take up to a minute or two. But that's cool, and don't worry about that. It varies with your internet connection speed. And once that's done, this is the last step, which is going to be super simple and easy. And over here what we have to do is basically complete 2 offers from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now, out of all these offers, I have to complete 2, and definitely I'll be completing 2 easiest of all the offers. And my first one is going to be Free Prints app. I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds. Now, these apps are downloaded from the official store, so they're 100% safe to use. And although they've instructed me to run it for 30 seconds, I'll have to run it for 40 seconds to be on the safe side, and recommend you guys to do the same as well. However, you might not notice it over here because the video has been fast forwarded to make it short, and rightfully so. I've completed my offer number 1. My offer number 2 is going to be iHeartRadio. I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds again, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be on the safe side. And once you have your game downloaded, you may delete these extra apps to optimize your storage, and once you've completed both your offers, simply close everything and return to your homepage, and you'll notice that your game Golf Clash Plus Plus will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here from me, these few simple steps underneath the home icon. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video with another cool game, app, or modded version. Until then, enjoy Golf Clash Plus Plus, have some thrill, have fun, and bye.